In today's video, we'll be covering creating email templates inside of Zenly. First, I'll put up our housekeeping, our legal disclaimer, and give you a moment to read through that, and then we'll begin the training. Inside of Zenly, in a loan file, there's an email button in the top right-hand corner, next to the Save and Export. In the mobile view, we have created a More Actions button to access additional options, which would include the email button as well. When you click on Email in a lead or a loan file, a dialog box will appear. This box includes fields for To, CC, Send individually, and options to select from your pre-configured templates, which we'll discuss shortly. Additionally, you can enter the subject and body of the email and attach documents as needed. Starting off with the To and CC line here for lead files, that will consist of your primary contact, spouse, and any third-party contacts that will be listed under the status contact section that has their email address listed there. Now you can also manually type in the To line and it will work just fine. Now on the loan side, that will consist of the borrower, co-borrower, additional borrower, and third-party contacts. And again, you can still manually enter those email addresses. Next, the Send individually is used to send individual emails to each recipient instead of one email to all. This is useful when using merge fields like borrower name. An example of this is when using borrower name as a merge field with Send individually set to false, then the same borrower name is in the body/subject for all recipients to see. If Send individually is set to true, then each recipient's name is used instead. The exceptions are recipients that are third parties from the status contact screen. And of course, you can manually enter email addresses as well. Next up, we have templates for the subject and body. These will be coming from the templates area that you can set up under the template section. These are standard tools for adding content into the body of the email. Copying and pasting images works in the same way. And you can also browse for images on your device. You can add tables, and after you add tables, there are table options. Attaching documents works the same way as adding documents to conditions, where you can attach documents and link to items that are already in storage, as well as preview from here as well. You can also send sample emails. Users can send themselves or someone else an email to see how it looks before sending it to all recipients. The Send and Close will send the email out to everyone you have listed in the To and CC lines. Now, moving over to the templates area, we will provide a number of default email templates to start with for future use in marketing. On this screen, when you click the Load Default, you will be able to see the 8 default email templates we provided for you. In addition, you are able to create and edit any email templates you would like. If any of the defaulted email templates are modified or changed from the original and the user wants the originals back, they can click the Load Default and it will add back all 8 original templates if the original does not exist anymore. It will not delete any of the custom email templates that you have created. Now, when you go to the Templates and Emails, which is the new screen under the Templates area, you have the ability to create the name of the email template, give it a description, and this is how it will display for usage on the main email template screen. Now for the subject line and the body line, the biggest thing would be inserting the merge fields to the subject line and or the body line. The list for what is available in the insert merge fields in the subject line is different than the insert merge fields for the body line, but you will be able to insert merge fields into either. Once you finish creating your email template, you'll want to click Save in the top right hand corner, and that newly made template will display in your list with the rest of your email templates. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact our dedicated customer service at calixdcs@calixsoftware.com.